This video tutorial I will cover setter dependency injection. Here you can see IOutputGenerator, which is the interface, and it has generate method, which is the abstract method, and JSON output generator implements IOutputGenerator and provide implementation of generate method, and CSV output generator, which implements IOutputGenerator and provide implementation of generate method. Here you can see output helper. It has getter and setter methods for IOutputGenerator. Using setter method, you can either set JSON output generator or CSV output generator. This is a Spring configuration file. Here we have mentioned Spring container should create CSV output generator object, JSON output generator object, and output helper object. And in output helper object, we have one dependency, which is IOutputGenerator. And using setter dependency injection, Spring container will set output generator as JSON output generator. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file. Using getBean method of application context object, I am getting output helper object from Spring container. Then I am calling get output generator method of output helper object. It returns output generator. Output generator we have set as JSON output generator in Spring configuration file. So we got JSON output generator. Then I am calling generate method of output generator. Output generator is JSON output generator. So we got generate JSON file. Suppose I want to change output generator as CSV output generator, then this reference bean we have to point to CSV output generator. I am running this program. Here you can see the output, and we got CSV output generator.